Hi friends, EnteMicrobial World welcomes you. In this video, we are going to see terminology related to gnotobiology. Germ-free organisms. Germ-free organisms are organisms that have no microorganisms living in or on them. Whereas germ-free animal is entirely devoid of any detectable microbial life. This includes viruses, protozoa, fungi, parasites and bacteria. Axenic animals. Axenic animals are gnotobiotes known to be free of all detectable microorganisms. Whereas axenic animals are completely free from other microorganisms. Here we should note one important point, that is, germ-free is the historical term utilized over the longest period of time. Its definition is the same as axenic, specific pathogen-free animals. In specific pathogen-free animals, a moderately normal microbiome is present, but devoid of specific pathogenic microorganisms. Whereas specific pathogen-free animals are those from which a defined set of microorganisms, usually pathogenic bacteria, fungi, parasites, and exogenous viruses are excluded. Defined flora animals. Defined flora animals are maintained in isolated environment and are intentionally associated with one or more known microorganisms. Conventional animals. Animals reared in a room with an unknown microflora and unknown disease status.